Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are unboxing my January Ipsy Glam bag and BoxyCharm. They have arrived and I am so excited for it. I know December we were missing the Glam bag. It's okay. Usually they'll either credit my account or it shows up later. This time I just have Ipsy for January. Before we jump into it though, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to find out what is in my Ipsy Glam bag and BoxyCharm, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we are going to start with the Glam bag. So I know that I think it's one of the items I get to choose. I can't remember because usually the month prior to it shipping or 2 or 3 weeks prior, you get to choose an item. I don't know if I got to this time. There's been a lot going on. There's usually a pamphlet that tells you. So this one is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. All right, and then this does have a detailed list of what is in this bag. And then the bag is super cute. Look how beautiful this is. So it's got like a soft velvety and then it's got the sequins on here, which are super cute. Okay, first thing in, we have the First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. So you guys, so she was here for the unboxing. Hi, honey. I think she's just gonna be like a normal person in this. Are you a person? Do you just want to be on YouTube? She's being extra tonight. All right, so it says the full size retails for $24. Daily cleanser helps purge the skin and balance sebum production thanks to red clay and rosemary leaf oil. So this is something that I would add into the shower for Luke and I. We tend to use different cleansers. Well, I know I use different cleansers. I know there's different ones in the shower. I don't know if Luke changes his up, but I know for my skin, if I use the same thing every day, it just doesn't seem like it's bright, or sometimes it's a little dull. So I do like to change up what I use as my cleanser in the shower, but I will add this into our shower mix. Okay, we have the VC Collection Island Eyeliner. I have never heard of this before. In L Unique. This retails for $20. Now here's my thing, what shade is it? It's a gel eyeliner, multi-chromatic green pencil, transformed into different shades depending on the lighting. I like a multi-chrome. That's the one thing. I hate the plastic packaging to open these. Even taking off the plastic, I've now gouged the crap out of the actual liner. And it doesn't really want to come off. You guys, that packaging was way more difficult than it needed to be. All right, so we are going to, right there. Oh, okay. Oh. So it looks like it can go between lime green, forest green, and teal. That is interesting. I feel like I have something similar to this from Danessa Myricks in my drawer right now. Okay, next we have Lash Step. This retails for $21. Pitch Black Mascara, lengthen and add volume. I do love that. And of course we have more plastic packaging. I hate this. Honestly, I do hate this. The packaging is quite interesting. This little swiveled thing. All right, and that is the wand. Quite interesting. I'll definitely have to try this out in my next video. We have Loren's Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Ooh, I love a good body lotion. Do not skimp on your moisturizer, especially for your body, especially in the winter. Love a good body lotion. All right, so this retails full size for $20. Lightweight body lotion. Has vitamin E, shea butter, coconut oils, plus licorice root extract, which helps soothe and calm any inflammation. And it smells like vanilla almond goodness. Okay, it's more of that plastic wrap. Besides the plastic wrap, it does have like a smooth matte finish. Don't mind that at all. It does have the silver like cap on it to stop you from like opening it and exposing it to the elements, because this has a 12-month shelf life once opened. So we're not going to do the smell test. This will go on my counter and I will try it out. Last item. This is the Nicole Miller Eau de Parfum Serene. Full size version retails for $90. If you have seen my perfume collection, which is right over yonder, it's actually the entire length of my bookshelves with the exception of like the end cap area. And then I have a shelf above it that has some of my other perfumes on it. I do love a good scent. I feel like I have this from Nicole Miller or something similar. I have this type of packaging for my perfume. First two of them, I think. It is nice and refreshing, but it was so close to my nose and I like inhaled it. It just put me on a sneezing fit. Okay. It smells delicious though. It said it has subtle sweetness of fig, notes of lilac, freesia, and watery musk, which is an unforgettable fragrance. It makes my nose itch. I don't know that I like that, but it smells nice. I will say that. Oh, there's more. Blending the freshness of fresh ozone and aloe vera with the allure of radiant rose and the subtle sweetness of fig. There's just a lot going on. We will try this out. I will see. Maybe I won't inhale it and I'll feel better. But if you've been here for my previous videos for Glam Bag, because these are sample sizes and not full size, and they give me the full size price, I don't usually total it up. But we do, of course, have my BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Okay, you guys. So jumping into my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and I always love this because it has full-size products. Some things I have never tried before, some things I was thinking about trying but never picked up. So I'm always surprised when I open this. Okay, so this says Glow Your Soul. And then sometimes it has details. And this looks like it does. Ooh, first thing in here, and this is from Ofra. This is the Signature Palette Luxe. This palette retails for $32. So usually it's like a plastic, but this one is cardboard. Let's see what the color story looks like. Ooh, I can definitely use this for work. All right, so it is like tan brown neutrals. This is actually their highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And then we have the shadows Truffle, Divine, Brown, and Clay. And I feel like I can get a very beautiful look for work with this palette. And this highlighter, Rodeo Drive, is absolutely stunning. Ooh, look at that. You can use it as your shimmer for the inner corner. You can use it on your cheekbones, your brow bone. It is absolutely beautiful. And back in the day before I started my YouTube channel, I would literally take a highlighter. It was, what was it? Becca Champagne Pop. I would put that all over the eye. Some eyeliner, mascara, and I was good to go. So this will probably stay on my table so I can try it out and use it for work. We have the Iconic London Enrich and Elevate Eyeliner. This is not on my thing of information. Oh, so it says I picked this. This is the Enrich and Elevate Eyeliner in black. It retails for $28. How to use it. Draw a line along your upper lash line. I mean, they're not wrong, but okay. So this is the Iconic London. This is a dual-ended eyeliner. So this one is super thin and this one's a little more like a felt tip marker, but I did pick shade black. That's what I tend to gravitate towards. I am going to keep it in its box until I use it, and this is just going to go into my new makeup drawer. You guys, I did just close out the giveaway. It closed out January 15th. I do have a winner. She has been notified and is super excited. She has been commenting on all my videos. So shout out to, I think it's pronounced Sonia. But she will be receiving the giveaway for holiday giveaway. Stay tuned if you love giveaways. I usually do them spring, my birthday, and the holiday season. So usually at least 3. Maybe I get a bug and I want to do like 4. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, definitely do that and stand by for when I do my giveaways. But she is going to be receiving a lot of makeup. Okay, we have more products. Okay, so this is the Wing Me brush set. So this is the Halo Series Brush Trio. It retails for $34. And it says I picked this. I don't remember what all my choices were, but I tend to not pick brushes unless there's like nothing else I really want in the group, because I do have a pretty extensive brush collection. It includes a concealer brush, blush brush, and a highlighter brush. So like, I know I don't need more brushes. I'm gonna look at these, see if I need them. If not, they will end up in the giveaway drawer. That's usually what happens. Okay, this item I know I got to pick out. This wasn't necessarily in the BoxyCharm selection. It was the shop. Like when you get to select your items, then they send you to the shop to pick out extra items if you want. And I have been using the regular lotion at night, but I wanted the gel of it because my skin's oily and I don't need all that moisture. This is the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer. I got to try this when I was at Sephora. It is so beautiful, feels so luxurious on the skin. And for me, being an oily girl, I don't need a regular moisturizer that has the oils and the thickness. I need something that is usually gel-based, starts with water, and gives me the hydration without making me feel oily and gross and slick. So this, when I saw it, and I can't remember how much I purchased it for, and it does not show me in the app. I want to say it was like $13. Sometimes it's nice to have the Ipsy subscription and get a full-size product. And it's sealed for freshness. So when I finally finish up, I think I have 3 in rotation right now for my moisturizers. You know this is being added in. This is my daytime. I have a nighttime, and then I have a one that can be used for both night and day. So I'm always mixing it up, and it seems to be helping my skin right now. Okay, we have Cupid's Arrow. Oh, this is from Nabla. Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo. Wait, did I pick 2 eyeliners? All right, so this retails for $18. It is an eyeliner. Smoky, smudgy look to precise and sharp lines. Okay, so this is something that I could use in the waterline compared to Iconic London, which is a liquid eyeliner and would give you that precise wing. Ooh. That is a very chunky like eyeliner to be precise. Right there in the center. I will try it out. I have not used an eyeliner from Nabla, but I do like their products that I have tried. We have Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in the shade 6. I've had this concealer before. I decluttered it. This retails for $29. And I think I decluttered it because it was the wrong shade, because I started to tan and it was fairly light. So this might be a much better match. I do like the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. I just know that I had quite a few concealers and foundations that were not my shade. So I think, oh yeah, this is definitely more my shade right now. So I am excited to have that back in my collection and not having to go spend the money on it. And last but not least, this is the Dermalectives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation. This is a microcurrent facial toning device. I have actually been seeing this on a couple different TikTok feeds lately. All right, so this one is actually my beauty boost. And I need to open it. This retails for $179.99. All right, so it says, this little tool is about to change your skincare game. It utilizes microcurrent technology to deliver soft, gentle waves through your skin and help stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. That means you'll be on your way to achieving firmer, smoother, and brighter looking skin. Glide the device over your cleansed skin using a circular motion from the inside to the outside of your face and from the bottom to the top of your face. This is interesting. Oh, the reviews are all over the place. So that's the one thing with the Ipsy app, like people get to post their reviews. We will try it out. We will see. I have seen a couple, not necessarily from this brand, but from other brands. And I'm always intrigued, but I don't spend the money. Like I'm not spending $180 on a face tool if I don't know that it is proven. And how many products are out there? Oh my goodness, it doesn't even want to come out of the container. How many products are out there that say they're going to do all the things that this product says is going to do? Okay, so it does have like a little protector. You take it off and this is like super lightweight. Okay, so it's got clean, micro pat, and warm. Oh. And you can do like the different levels. Like, do you see the blue on here? So right now it's on level 2. It says it's on warm. Oh, you just like touch it to your skin. Do you guys hear that? I don't know that I should be like rubbing it on my hand that has like makeup products on it, but all it really takes is like just like tapping it. I don't know that I feel like warming. It sounds like it's making like, or it's doing something. Oh, it is starting to warm. I'm not gonna say what this sounds like, you guys. If you know, you know. All right, so you just like, you don't even have to force it. It's just like a quick tap and it like, what is a micro pat? Oh, it's a different vibration. That is interesting, you guys. All right. Let's see. I moved it to 3 for the micro pat. Oh. And that's supposed to send like a current through your face. Interesting. I'm going to charge this. I might like, once I put my serum on, which is usually when I do this type of product, I'll put my serum on, I'll do this product, then I'll do my eye cream and my lotion. I usually want my serum to just like absorb in. Usually whether it's like a retinol or an anti-aging. You guys, 39 years old, I want all the anti-aging I can possibly get. Now, let me go and total up this box and I will let you know what it totals because I know I did not spend anywhere near what all of this would cost me. Okay, you guys, for BoxyCharm, which I spent $30 on, this box retailed for $320.99. That is insane. Like I said, I only spent $30 on this box and I want to say Glam Bag is only like $15 plus shipping. For the items that I got, just in BoxyCharm alone, it has well paid for itself compared to what I would have spent if I bought any of these products for myself. Do I think I would have gone out of my way to purchase this item from Dermalogica or Dermalactives? I don't know that I would have spent that type of money on something that it states it would do. It's hard when it comes to those types of items because there's a review that says it looks gimmicky, but I don't know. Like, as I get older, I really hope and cross my fingers that some of these items really do work and I will continue to look youthful without having to have any crazy surgeries. But you guys, between Glam Bag and BoxyCharm, I am so excited to try some of these items out. Some that I've already tried before and I just needed updated shades, or some things I have never picked up before and am glad that I have in my collection to try out and play with and give you my clear reviews on what they are. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.